Yo, good morning guys. As you can see, your boy got a flannel on. Finally came across a flannel that I actually like in the thrift. Let me show you guys this in the light. No, it's kind of dark. But I've been looking for flannels, like a heavy flannel, St. John's Bay. But yeah, I'm about to head to the thrift right now. I just want to give you guys a little fit check. I got the bootleg Yeezy joggers on. Sandal Boys socks. These got the long strings too, the Yeezy bootlegs. This is the Yeezy Season 6 bootleg. And then the Pleasures long sleeve underneath, just to stay cozy. But yeah, let's head to the thrift. I know my hair's looking crazy right now, but it's all good. Let's go find that fire. Peace. Patent leather Jordan 1 lows, 6.5 wide. I'm gonna pass on these. It's actually $30. If they're bigger size, I probably would have taken it. I did come across this right here. It's like a boy's large, maybe a women's large, but 2005 Nintendo hoodie. Super good condition. You see the tag right there. Some Polo Sport cozies. It's probably gonna go in like the $10 pile that I have at the shop. These are fire. And then I did, for the first time, come across a pair of Arc'teryx pants. If you don't know the brand, you don't know. But there's the logo right there. Super good condition. They're only asking for $8, so I'm probably gonna scoop all 3 of these. And then these right here, pretty crazy. Size 8.5 on both of these. Kobe 4's. And then you got the draft days right here. These are actually really clean still, so I'm hyped about those. And then these are the Valentine Jordan 5s. But look at the front, the toe box. I think it's this one. It's got that scuff right there, so I don't know. They're asking for 20. I might be able to get these off for like 40. We'll see if I pick these up. They're not too bad. Super good condition. The taxing is 30 on it. Diamond starter, San Diego Padres. Starter right here. Do you guys like this? Sometimes. Some size large vintage Nike, $15. Cool, huh? Yeah, these are cool. Nike, LA right there. Stars on both sides, and it's got the buttons. So you can make money on them? Yeah, could probably flip this. It's in good condition too. How much is it worth? Got some vintage Nike right here, size medium. $15. I'm gonna cop this one. It's in super good condition. It's just got the little hit on the back right there. And then this vintage Reebok jacket. Pretty clean. Size medium too. $10. Simple on the front, but the back is pretty crazy. Super big. I don't know about this one though. We'll see. Alright guys. $30. Tax on it. It is XL 1820. Shaquille O'Neal. Got this vintage Harley. I think it's 97. 98. Eagle. This one's cool. But look at that. They're taxing on all these pieces today. Look, 15. This Harley one's cool. It's got the blue flames in the arms. Hawaii again. This one right here. 3 Stooges. Solid size. It's an XL, so I'll probably pick this one up. 2001. But these 2 right here, oh my god. Look at this. Super good condition. You see the single stitch. You see the tag. MC Escher. All over print. But this is the real all over print. Oh my god. Double XL. Oh, not double XL. Size XL. All over print staircase. MC Escher. Crazy. These 2 right here. This one right here, the homie found for me. 1998 Bulls poster, $2. That's for sure going in the shop. And this one right here, sleeper. Acne Studios. Little strap back. $4. I'm for sure scooping it. And then this right here, you know, we staying cozy. Low-key like the thickest beanie I've ever seen, so I'm gonna need a plain black beanie anyway. Foam posits right here, size 10.5. Look at the bottoms. Super bad. Crazy to see these. They go for a good amount brand new. But I'm gonna have to pass on these. Okay, my first time coming across This jacket, tax on 50, but you see it, Foreign Productions. No way I'm leaving this. Magic Johnson on the sleeve. Laker logo on the back. Purple and gold all over. Varsity jacket. This is fire. Size XL too, solid size. 2005 or 2006 Iron Maiden tee. Fade is crazy. This one's cool right here. XL long sleeve. Chrome, sweet chrome. 1992 Hawaii. Those flames are crazy. This right here, some vintage Nike USA soccer team. I don't really know soccer, but I looked it up, so I'm copping it for $5. Center check, vintage Nike Laker tee. It is stained, but you know me, I can't leave this. This is a pretty crazy shirt just because it's the center check. And this one right here, this is the grail of today. If you look right there, 3D emblem, single stitch, Righteous Ruler, 1987. This is crazy. Easily a $200 t-shirt. 1998 Comedy Central, South Park, made in USA, XL, fire, size large, vintage Nike, center check with the rubber right there. This is crazy right here. The Kobe magazine, $4. I can't leave this. I'm gonna scoop these. And then these right here, I still gotta see if they're real though. Golden Goose. There it is, y'all. This is actually the first time I ever came up on one of these. Single stitch, screen stars, the blue tag, 15. Scooping this for sure. And then this one right here looks simple on the rack, and I saw the Nike tag right here. This hit right here is pretty fire. It's reversible. It's got the court force on the inside. This one right here, I can't find anything on it, but it is a single stitch and it's pretty cool. It says Fire Island right there. It's the Radio Flyer wagon. And then this right here is pretty beat, but vintage Nike, double XL, pretty faded. And it has one hole on the side right here, but that can be stitched up, so we'll see if I decide to pick this one up. Alright, so the homie came through for the $10 pile. I gave him some of the pieces for $5 too, but if you don't know, this whole pile right here, each piece is $10, and you see the Jordan ones right there. Yes, that is part of it. So he's taking all of these. These are the ones I gave him for $5, and then the rest of these, I mean, I got sweaters in there for $10 too, so gonna count it up and then cash out. Yo, it's good, guys. Just got done cutting at the shop. I know y'all haven't seen me in here in a minute, but the thing is, I've been just super busy, and it sucks because people have been cashing out and all this. I did like a bunch of renovations to the shop, and I haven't been able to show you guys because just been busy, because I'm a one-man show when it comes to running the store back there. So I'll be cutting. People come to sell me stuff, I gotta run back there, come back to cutting, go back there. If someone wants to buy something, blah, 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 have questions. And I've just been everywhere. And I appreciate all the love everyone's been showing me. But yeah, Aye's Barbershop is definitely still up and running. I know that I don't show you guys that often, but I can give you guys some light tour stuff. You know what I'm saying? But I'm about to put this up right now. I don't know where I want to put Tupac. One thing I got from the thrift that I did not get to show you guys is this. You see the tag? Yes, I did thrift this for $25, and I Home Depot'd the ish out of this thing. I got this right here, and then I put these right here to hold the board. I put the little washer. I basically just used the extra washer that I had. I did what I had to do just to get it up and running, and this AC adapter cord right here is all I needed. Like, I took a chance on this working. All the sensors and stuff were there, so I was like, you know what, $25 worth a shot. I mean, even if it doesn't work, I was gonna take it to electrician. I'm gonna get something that kind of falls down right here, so when the ball comes down after you make it, you just get it, just like the real like arcade games. But I just want to show you guys this thing is lit, man. So basically, you got to make a shot for it to start. And see, you got 30 seconds right there. It's counting down, and every time you hit a bucket, hopefully I make this first shot on camera. Let's go, baby. It counts it. I'm gonna get a little bigger ball, obviously, because this one's a little small, so sometimes it won't actually hit the sensor. Let's get the buzzer beater. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Here's the shoe wall. Haven't showed you guys this in a while, but it's looking very, very healthy right now. So if you do want to come sell me your shoes, pull up. All right, let's clean up, get home to the boo-boo, eat some grub. Your boy hungry. Peace. Yo, what's good, guys? Sad right now. Nah, I'm good. I low-key just had to like ice my foot and rest it, you know, rice. I hooped today. I sprained my ankle. I tweaked it a little bit. It's actually not too bad. But I'll keep you guys posted. The reason why I'm kind of playing often right now is because there's going to be a Vintage Heads basketball tournament, December 11th. It's going to be in LA. I'm on one of the teams. One of my teammates, I think, is going to be Fire at Thrift LA. That's going to be cool. I should be good by then. Low-key, this will probably be good in like 3 days. But yeah, I'm here. I want to do an unboxing for you guys. Let me just cut this open real quick. So the Sacai's that just released, you know how there was the black pair and the white with like the fuchsia? I actually went for the black one first, and then I went for the fuchsia one, and for some reason I got the fuchsia one. And technically that was like, I don't know, like a minute to like 2 minutes late, and I was like, nah, I'm taking an L for sure, for sure. And then I look at my phone and it says got him, and I was like, what? So I was like, yo, maybe I have a chance to win the black pair too because I got these. But no, I took an L on the black one. It honestly is the one that I wanted, but here it is. You see the box. This is my third pair of Sacai's that I have actually hit on the sneakers app. You see the box. Hold on, let me scoot back a little bit so you guys can see. I don't remember if the paper was the same in this one as the other Sacai's. It looks a little different, but then again, I haven't opened it up for a while. Ooh, ooh. Dang, these are kind of fire. Size 11. Dang, these look big. These are kind of like the, these give me like the Balenciaga vibes. You see how the big stick out in the back? They said fuchsia, but to me that just kind of looks red. Red, white, and blue, pretty much. Both laces are in there. I don't know why they did that. But these are gonna be for sale in the shop. That smells good. See it? Let me put this down and give you guys a closer look at it, so you guys can see. You see the double tongue, double laces, double swoosh, single swoosh on the inside, and it's got the like cream texture right here, leather in the back. It's got the netting on here, and then you see the big little flap that sticks out right here. These are kind of fire. Personally, like I said, I would have wanted the black pair, but woo! Thank you. Regardless, these are gonna go in the shop. I'm actually gonna bring the Sacai's that I have in my room to the shop too, and the Travis Scott 6's. I will not be bringing the Sean's in there because those are staying in the personal for a while. But yeah, they're clean. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you guys would wear a shoe like this. If you do have it, let me know what it feels like to wear it. I don't know what this would feel like when you're like taking a step, but they're pretty clean overall. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little trip to the thrift / sneaker unboxing. That was my first W of the whole year. I low-key thought, high-key, I thought I was gonna take L's like all year. And finally I hit one. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion, what is good? Hey!